When I visited your plant, in Atlas, I was amazed, especially the one that runs the plant, the owner, was being introduced to me. Yeah, it's very accommodating, especially when people are working there. It's very friendly, and also the equipment, yeah, the quality of the equipment is very good, and also the workmanship. Yeah, all in all, no problem. Yeah, that's why it's very hard to not to recommend this. I suggest you. I can recommend this to our friend in the Philippines, other contractors, that we can sell this Atlas Industries at a very good condition.